Hello friends, Namaskar. Welcome all of you to my channel. Today let's discuss about how to calculate the effective interest rate. Basically today discussion would be the calculation of effective interest rate and why we say that nominal rate of interest, or you can say that stated rate of interest is lower than that of effective interest rate. So I believe that today's discussion would be important from the depositor point of view, at the same time lender point of view also, friends. Now based on this background, let's move to the discussion on at first nominal rate, which could be noted by I, or that's annual rate of interest, and next one is that effective interest rate, friends. That's which is also known as effective annual rate. This is simply you need to recall this equation, that is 1 plus nominal interest rate, that is the I, noted by I, divided by M. In finance we say that M is the number of compounding periods in a year and whole to the power M, and then you have to use this bracket, then minus 1, then that will provide you effective annual rate, friends. Now a next important point that you need to understand here, that's as I explained earlier, that's a nominal interest rate is lower than effective interest rate. Yeah, that is, you can say that effective interest rate is greater than nominal rate of interest. Okay. Similarly, in financial investment, when you are planning to deposit your money in the bank, yeah, when you are planning to lend your money to the like your borrowers, then you need to understand this frequency, that it could be like your nominal. If we say the nominal, and if I would say that we assume that yeah, stated interest rate, yeah, and nominal interest rate is 12%. Each case this is the 12%. Now if this is the case of annual, that means there will be the just one payment within a year. So this is the number of compounding period is the 1. So in this case you simply, even though you could use this formula, you will have a just 0.12, that is a 12%. Okay. Now what could be the case? This is the case of semi-annual case, friends. Now if this is the case of semi-annual, that means there will be the two payments. Simply you can say that 12 months divided by 6 months. So that will provide you the two compounding periods. So this is 1 plus, this is our nominal rate, that is a 0.12, divided by M is our 2, whole to the power 2 minus 1, and once you multiply that given calculated figure with the 100, that will provide you 12.36. Okay. Now what could be the case for quarterly payment, friends? When there is the quarterly, then simply you can say that there will be the 4 compounding periods in a year. There will be the 4 payments. Okay. Now this is the 1 plus, again I divided by I means is nominal interest rate by M. Again you could have a different value. Remember, friends, that is the case of once we say that quarterly, monthly case, you will have a higher effective annual rate, yeah, interest rate, you can say that. If this is the case of weekly, just you have to adjust 1 plus I divided by 52 week in a year. So it's say that M is our 52 week. If this is the case of daily, then if we say that number of days in a year is 365, then in this case you will have a 12.75. That means we could conclude that, friends, in case you are planning to deposit your money in the bank, you are expecting daily interest payment. Okay, that would be good for you. But at the same time, if someone provide you like your financial institution provide you the annual, like your annual interest rate, then that would be the great opportunity cost for all of you, friends. So we prefer, that is the adjustment of number of compounding period while calculating effective interest rate. Okay. Now let's move to the, I just organized all this information here. Now I would like to see with the chart, then I would select this one, then I would go to the this insert, then chart. Here what I do, I could select, this is the line chart. Okay. Then line chart, you could see here, this is our line chart. Okay, I would just show you here. So you can see here, friends, that is the case of for we have this is the 12%. It seems to be like your fixed cost line, right? But in case of effective interest rate, yeah, annual rate, it keep on increasing, right? That is the basic reason. Once we adjust the frequency, a number of compounding periods, it will affect the effective interest rate, and it will equally applicable when you are uh, discussing the things from the investor point of view, yeah, financial point of view, friends. Okay, friends, these are the things that I would like to share today. I believe that whatever I discussed today, that would definitely enrich your understanding about your nominal interest rate and effective interest rate. Thank you all of you for watching this video. Please take care all of you. Thank you.